Hey everybody.
Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do our Game Day snack series.
Episode 2, okay? Last week we did loaded nachos. This week we're gonna do
loaded baked potatoes.
No, not she keep calling me baked potato. It's loaded potato skins, okay?
Oh, loaded potato skins.
So yeah, it's something that a game day snack that people do. They do it at like different places, like Fridays and stuff like that. So we say, hey, let's try to do it vegan style. It's just as good. So stay tuned, check it out. Potato skins today. Make sure to drop comments and likes. Let us know what you would like to see us make as far as game day snacks that are plant-based or vegan. All right, so stay tuned, y'all.
All right, everyone. So today we are going to make vegan potato skins. So this is the ingredients that we are going to use. Of course, be creative and use whatever it is that you like and you prefer. You may not necessarily prefer what we prefer, but we'll kind of give you the outline and then you just take it from there. So we did go ahead and wash and scrub our potatoes down. Now we're gonna cover them slightly with just a little bit of oil and put them in the oven on 450 for about 35 minutes or so.
Most common topping for potato skins is bacon. So since we don't eat meat and we don't do bacon, we just decided to do the soy rizo. So these are the instructions on how to cook it. You can use it or you cannot use it. It's up to you. But it gave it kind of like that same type of potato skin feel that we normally do. All right, so now we're going to take the halves of the potatoes and scoop out some of the insides. This is to allow the potatoes, when we put them back in, to be more crispy. And it allows you to top each potato skin. So you can put the cheese and green onions, etc. on it. All right, now we're going to put butter, salt, and pepper, of course, plant-based butter. And we're gonna put them back in the oven for another 20 minutes on 450 degrees. That'll make them crispy, get them ready for your toppings. All right, so we took our potato skins out. We're gonna add our cheese and put them back in there for another 5 to 6 minutes. That's just to allow the cheese to melt. And then after that, you're ready to top your potato skins for whatever you wanna put on. Thank you so much, you all, for watching. comment, like, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see. We appreciate all support. Thank you, y'all. Deuces.